Wait. If your iPhone is locked and you don't remember the passcode, don't skip this video, because what I'm about to show you could unlock your iPhone today. In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock an iPhone without the passcode, and the best part is this method works on all iPhone models. I'll also show you real proof step by step so you can see exactly how the process works. So if you have a locked iPhone and you can't access your device right now, make sure you watch the full video carefully and follow every step exactly the way I show you. Because if you skip even one step, the method might not work properly. And before we start, hit the like button, share this video with anyone who has a locked iPhone, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful iPhone tips and unlock guides. Also, if this method doesn't work on your iPhone, just comment your iPhone model below, and I'll try to help you with another solution. Now let's start the method.